Hi guys, today we're doing another car wash saloon and today we're doing a Batty supercar. So let's get started. Let's get started. The second. Now for the rinse down. So if you haven't seen this game before, you have to clean the car, then you could decorate it, you can change the wheels, really do what you want on it. But first, you have to clean it. Yeah. Now for the rinsey, swinsey, subbly, sinsey, simpsy, slimpsa thing. I call it a different name every time, every 1,000 times I've done it. Now for another, it's having a sponge bath. It's having a sponge bath. Having a sponge. Oh, now we're using the Now we're using the. Can't remember what it's called. Why is it not pumping? Why is it not pumping? Good. Now, yay! Yay! Now, I'm not going to add any decoration, but I am going to change the wheel because it's a super batty car. So that is the end of this video, and I will see you in the next video, and bye guys.